We are sorry that you received in error a check intended for Reed and Sons of Edinburgh. Thank you for passing it to us. New paragraph. We are writing today to Reed and Sons, asking them to let you have the check which we should have sent to you. No doubt you will receive it without delay.